If you have been running an AI agent like OpenClaw locally, you already know the friction. You leave a complex workflow running, step away for a few hours, and the terminal crashes. The gateway closes silently, and your agent simply stops responding until you manually reboot it. This side-by-side shows the exact upgrade path we are taking today. On the left is that fragile, text-heavy command line. On the right is the Hermes version 0.9 Everywhere release, replacing the raw terminal with a visual mission control that tracks active sessions and token usage in real time. We are going to migrate your current agent over to this new system. That means moving your custom skills, the agent's specific personality, and its entire memory bank without losing a single line of data. Before we start, you need 3 things ready: access to your terminal, the exact directory path where your old agent currently lives, and the API keys for your preferred language model. An AI cannot run long-term automated workflows if the environment it lives in closes while you are away. Securing a stable visual interface is a strict requirement for achieving true operational autonomy. Watch this system initialization. To begin, open your terminal and paste the universal quick install curl command. This pulls down the base system files, and it handles the platform-specific setup automatically. Next, type Hermes update. This forces the system to fetch the latest packages, ensuring you are operating strictly on the v0.9 architecture. Before moving any existing files, we need to create a migration profile. Think of this as a quarantine zone, keeping your old data completely separate from any default Hermes settings. In this diagram, you can see how we isolate the data. To build this container, type Hermes profile create openclaw-import. Now instruct the system to actively target this new sandbox by typing Hermes profile use openclaw-import. Your command prompt will update to show the profile name. That visual confirmation means the sandbox is locked in and ready to receive data. By isolating the target environment first, your original OpenClaw files remain completely untainted. If the transfer sequence fails, your current agent stays perfectly intact. Step 1 of the transfer is a simulation. We use the dry run flag to map the file paths and catch errors before any data actually moves. Type Hermes claw migrate dry run, followed by the source flag and the exact file path pointing to your old OpenClaw directory. Look closely at this output log. Among the scheduled files, you need to verify 2 specific documents are queued up: soul.md and memory.md. These 2 markdown files hold the agent's identity. The soul file dictates its personality directives, while the memory file contains the historical logs of every conversation you've had. Once the simulation confirms those files are targeted, hit the up arrow, delete the dry run flag, and replace it with overwrite. Press enter to execute the permanent transfer. The terminal will report a successful migration for your logs and custom skills, but it will intentionally skip your API keys and security tokens. Forcing the transfer of context files while blocking the automated movement of API keys ensures seamless project continuity while maintaining strict local security protocols. With the files successfully moved, type Hermes dashboard in your terminal and press enter. The system will build a local web UI and launch it directly in your browser. You are now out of the command line and inside your new control center. Here in the Dashboard's Skills tab, you can immediately verify the migration. Every custom capability your old agent built is cataloged, active, and assigned to its proper category. Because the system blocked your API tokens during the transfer, your agent currently has no way to process language. Navigate to the Keys tab on the left menu to resolve this. Click Add Provider, select your preferred endpoint, whether that's OpenRouter, Anthropic, or an OpenAI-compatible service, and securely paste your key to bring the agent back online. The dashboard translates the raw terminal text from your migration into an actionable visual management system. You now have full visibility over active sessions, token counts, and background tasks. To prove the memory files are functioning, open a new chat session and prompt the agent to recall a highly specific weeks-old project you worked on together in the old system. As illustrated by this extraction sequence, the agent will dig past recent context, search its markdown logs, and return exact dates, specific tool calls, and historical data points from your original workflow. Your agent is now running on the v0.9 architecture. It retains all prior context, but operates without the gateway crashes that derailed long-running tasks. This stability is supported by a messaging gateway that connects the local environment to 16 external platforms. In this updated architecture, you can assign several bot tokens to a single Telegram group, where they pass tasks back and forth without manual oversight. Your agent's memory and personality are now housed in a system designed for persistence, rather than temporary terminal sessions. With the migration complete, you have the framework necessary to expand from a single agent chat into a collaborative multi-agent workforce.